Today I will answer my teacher question. The question just three number. The first question is, what do you think about TikTok? I think TikTok comes from China, and the application used widely people in the world. The example in our beloved country Indonesia, TikTok is an application that keeps people entertained with songs or movement. They keep the body alive and keep us healthy so that we don't get viruses or germs. Cause even bodies must always be healthy. And TikTok can tell we information about health, electronic, and many other things. And it is no uncommon for many humans to forget to close or their aura, and thus maximize on the viewer. Question number two is effect positive or negative of TikTok. Effect positive of TikTok is to memorize a Western song, to receive information that is happening in today's millennials, to represent money if many of his followers, and earn the reward for making people love or happy. And negative, sometimes TikTok syndrome, losing time, sometimes seeing people not close of their own aura. Question number three, or final question, is what the best application for translating lunch in my handphone is U Dictionary. Why? Because it has been very helpful in translating lunch. Despite millions of typewriting or word, why? Because I trans my sentence using this application. See you later.
Number 1. I think a TikTok is a squeeze while I'm sanctuary. Number 2. Positive. I can see the latest breaded wasn't show on TV. Negative. Sometimes there a lot of content about 80+. Number 3, I think the application Dictionary is very good.
Number 1, in my opinion, TikTok can make you forget the time because in the TikTok lot interesting content. Number 2, positive effect in the TikTok can make you get the knowledge, and negative effect in the TikTok can make you get the sin because in the TikTok lot of dancing does not cover the genitals. Number 3, application on Android can help you increase language ability is Hello English because in the Hello English you learn while playing, so you can understand the language easy.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rizky Datullah, and now I am going to explain about TikTok. And number 1, I think TikTok is an application for people to work and share good information. And that's all I know because I did not to install that application. And number 2, and the positive is can be entertaining, can make friends, and get creative videos, and can add a broader insight. And the negative is that a lot of videos are not good examples. And number 3, the application I used to help translate English is Use Dictionary, and the U dictionary can help me to translate by photo, and also can help me to translate Arabic into Indonesian, and Mandarin into Indonesian, and many other language. And don't forget to download this application. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Number 1. TikTok is an application that I think is fun to watch because it contains a lot of videos such as education, information, animation, cooking, tutorial, and many more. I don't think TikTok has too much negative impact if we use it well. Number 2. In the TikTok application, there must be positive and negative impact on yourself. The positive impact of TikTok is that we can see information, tutorial, education, stories, and much more, and can also make money. Meanwhile, the negative impact is that we can get addicted and can consume a lot of internet quota. And TikTok, there is also content that I think is not appropriate for minors to see. So in my opinion, it's fine if we use it properly. Number 3. On my Android, there are applications that can improve my language skill, namely YouDictionary and Cake. In the YouDictionary application, I can see and learn new vocabulary and many other cool features. While in the Cake application, I can see animated videos in English, so I will follow whatever sentence in the video until I get used to using them. I also often listen to songs, speak English, so that I can get used to and familiar with foreign words that I hear.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My opinion about TikTok. TikTok is an entertainment application and to show talent. There we can show talent such as dance, singing, and others. In the TikTok application, we can also get knowledge. Besides that, we get entertainment to treat boredom. Positive and negative TikTok. Positive can be know and be a fun entertainment. Negative, sometimes there are some videos that are not suitable for display for underage children. Application that can improve language skills are YouTube and View. Because from this application, I often watch films or dramas in English.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I think a TikTok is an application that opens when it's boring, entertaining, or simple refreshing the brains. At TikTok, we can discover various science and insight, although most of them are TikTok dance like that. The positive effect of a TikTok application is we can gain or deliver science, fun entertainment, and sometimes there are inspiring videos of the dakwah. The negative effect is that you can lose time, and sometimes there are videos that are unsuitable for minors. Number 3, YouTube and View. Because I often watch English film and I watch while studying.
Hello, I'm Diana and I will share to you my opinion about TikTok, effects from TikTok, and the best application to increase your language ability. There is a positive and negative effects from TikTok. Positive effects from TikTok is I got some information that I haven't known, and then in TikTok I can learn the lesson easily, improve my language, and I got some motivation. Negative effects from TikTok is totally I waste of time, but it can make me laugh because the video is funny. Many teenagers and small children are wasting their time to watching TikTok videos, and also it making such video and becoming an addiction to people. The best application that can help me to increase my language ability is Viu, Telegram, YouTube, Netflix, Joox, TikTok, Spotify, Twitter, and Google Translate. Thank you.
My name is Ridwan. I will answer Mr. Aib question. Number 1. TikTok is an application found on Android and iOS and can cheer up when bored. Number 2. Positive side of TikTok. Among them, that is can get rid of boredom and negative side of TikTok. Among them, there are lot video that don't deserve to be expressed to children. Number 3. In my opinion, Duolingo is the best application on Android because I use that. System used on Duolingo like a game have several levels.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In my opinion, TikTok is very influential for those of you who watch it. Sometimes, some of you follow the TikTok trend, either positive or negative. Our moral can also be affected by TikTok effect, so we have to be careful. Number 2, the positive effect is that in the TikTok application, more and more content creators are spreading dakwah, teaching religious and educationalism. And what makes I know other positive things that I didn't know before. Negative effect, now minors have entered TikTok without parental control. They can imitate negative things for them to protect in their daily life. There are also content creators who actually give examples of things that are not good for their viewers. So, we must be able to control ourselves in using the TikTok application. Take the good and discard the bad. Number 3, the best application that improve language skill, my opinion, is Google. Because Google is the main application I use if I have trouble understanding English or another language. Google is also a default application and it makes it easy for me to access things. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.